Hello guys, so today is laundry o'clock. Yeah, so let's rush. Let's rush. Oh, let's do the bellies. Okay. We have lots of washings to do. Lots of them. It's on now. So for you to use this machine, Hisense Bubble Clean, she has seen it. You start by setting the water level. Starts. So you can see water is already entering. Are you seeing it? Okay. So this is step by step on how to use this washing machine, or step by step on how to use it. So our clothes are already inside. Our detergent is inside already. So this is the water coming out. Are you seeing it? So don't worry. The next step, I'm going to. So let's start. Water level. And the water is enough. Are you seeing it? This is step by step on how to use your Hisense Bubble Clean washing machine. Okay, don't worry. The next one, I'm going to restart the process. Okay, guys. See you. So now it's rinsing. You can see now, rinsing. After this one, it will go to spin. Now it's rinsing out the water. Now it's spinning. Look at this. Spinning. The machine is shaking. Are you seeing everywhere? This is my today's work. So we are done here. It's dried. Are you seeing it? It's dried. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Let's go to the second round. Bye.